the Renewable Energy Department has been championing clean cooking. In fact, we have a clean cooking unit that has been working towards making clean cooking universal by 2030. That's our goal as government in the energy transition plan. So today we're in Mukono district. This has been wonderful. I'm so happy to see all the participants, the schools, the local government, the religious leaders, Uganda Kingdom, all the stakeholders. Clean cooking must be at the heart of our energy transition. It's integral to achieving Uganda's Vision 2040, the Sustainable Development Goals, and our commitments under the Paris Agreement. But we can't do it alone. We therefore call upon all stakeholders, public, private, and community-based, to continue working with us. Together we can ensure that no Ugandan is left behind in accessing modern, clean, and affordable cooking solutions. We're also strengthening public awareness in collaboration with local government to change the mindset and promote the benefits of clean cooking. We're also establishing and enforcing quality standards in coordination with Uganda National Bureau of Standards, working hand in hand with local government, development partners, NGOs, and private sector to scale up the deployment of clean cooking solutions, especially in hard-to-reach and vulnerable communities. These partnerships are critical for building last-mile supply chains, enhancing user training, and ensuring community ownership. In addition to biomass, we are also promoting electric cooking as part of our broader electrification agenda. I just want to thank the Ministry of Energy, who I'm representing today, the National Renewable Energy Platform, NREP, and they've been really pivotal in spreading the message of clean cooking around the country. Also our development partner, the UK government, and all the stakeholders, really all the participants involved. We thank you so much, and we look forward to a clean cooking future.